Once upon a time, there was an old man named Thomas and his granddaughter Lily. They lived in a small village and were very close to each other. One day, Lily was feeling sad and discouraged. She had been trying to learn to play the violin, but she was finding it difficult. She had practiced for hours, but she still couldn't get it right. Lily went to her grandfather and told him how she was feeling. "Don't be discouraged, Lily," her grandfather said. "Everyone faces challenges in life. It's how we overcome them that makes us stronger." Thomas took Lily to the nearby forest and showed her 2 trees. One tree was tall and strong, with thick branches and deep roots. The other tree was smaller and weaker, with thin branches and shallow roots. "Look at these 2 trees, Lily," Thomas said. The taller tree grew up on the edge of the forest where it was exposed to the wind and rain. The other tree grew up in the middle of the forest where it was protected from the elements. "Why is the taller tree stronger?" Lily asked. "Because it had to fight to survive," Thomas replied. "The wind and rain made it grow stronger roots. The other tree didn't have to fight, so it never developed strong roots." "So you're saying that challenges make us stronger?" Lily asked. "That's right," Thomas said. "When we face challenges, we have to learn new things and grow. We become more resilient and resourceful." Lily took her grandfather's words to heart. She continued to practice playing the violin, even though it was difficult. She also started facing other challenges in her life head-on. Lily eventually learned to play the violin beautifully. She also became a more confident and independent person. One day, Lily was giving a violin recital when she made a mistake. She stopped playing and felt embarrassed, but she remembered what her grandfather had taught her about challenges. She took a deep breath and started playing again. This time, Lily played better than ever before. The audience cheered and applauded. Lily was so happy. She had overcome her challenge and achieved her goal. After the recital, Lily's grandfather told her how proud he was of her. "You're a strong and resilient young woman," he said. "I know you can achieve anything you set your mind to." Lily smiled. She knew that her grandfather was right. She had learned that challenges are essential for growth and success. Life lessons. Challenges are a part of life. We can't avoid them, but we can learn to overcome them and become stronger as a result. Remember, challenges are essential for growth and success. Don't let them stop you from achieving your goals.
If you enjoyed this story and want more tales that teach valuable life lessons while improving your English, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of language enthusiasts here at English Fable Hub. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep enjoying the magic of storytelling with us. Thanks for watching.